Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're late to the Super Bowl game like I am, no worries. I'm going to put together this last minute decor because I've been so focused on Valentine's that I totally forgot that the Super Bowl is before that. So we're going to put together this Amazon kit that I got, and we are going to make it look like $1,000,000. Well, not $1,000,000, but definitely more than the $20 I spent on this. And I'm going to use things that I already have at home, and we're going to make it look fabulous. So, all right, let's get to the video. So what's in this $20 kit? I'm not gonna lie, you could never catch me buying one of these kits, especially plastic table covers. Paper plates, totally, all day. For informal events only though. But since I'm in a bit of a time crunch, I said to myself, let's give it a try, even though the balloons smell like harsh chemicals. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how dusty my dining room table was. Look at that, I missed a spot in the left hand corner. That's so horrible. I need to use my dining room more than just for the holidays. I'm going to use the Playbook table cover as the backdrop or background to set the mood. In case you haven't noticed, I love to add dimension to my designs, 3D. Meaning decor in the back, center, and front. That would be ideal, but 2 would definitely work if you don't have the space. As you probably saw, I added a little bit of tape to the top, and everything else I just tucked in. Now I'm gonna put together this banner. It came with white ribbon, but I'm using some twine that I bought from the dollar store a long time ago. I'm going to be using this kit plus things that I already have at home to make this design. You guys go ahead and use what you have at home, but you know what, I should make a list of things that you must have that you can reuse for any occasion, if you like my style, that is. The Tablescape. If you're going to have a football themed tablescape, you must have a grass table runner. I'm also adding my natural charger plates because you gotta keep it outdoorsy kind of vibe. And I'm adding our ceramic white dinner plates for a pop-up color. Yes, white can be a pop-up color in my world. It also gives a bit of elegance to the tablescape since we're going to use paper plates, which is totally fine for gatherings and informal events, because you know, ain't nobody got time to wash all of them dishes. I decided to just go for the fork and the knife. The spoon seemed like a little bit too much. This tablescape is basically just to set the mood. It's part of the decor. I mean, even some of the cups, you know, weren't even the same size because I keep breaking them. But yeah, you get the point. The Centerpiece. When on a budget, my flowers of choice will be hydrangeas and baby's breath. Yes, they are filler flowers, but they are beautiful and very affordable. They're natural, which means that they will always look better than cheap faux flowers, and they're definitely cheaper than a lot of my silk flowers, so always keep that in mind. So I added a napkin inside my mason jar to keep it in theme, and I'm using a bamboo stick or skewer and placing some foam footballs on top of the flowers, so you know, it can be to theme. And then here I go messing it up with the water. I was trying to just fill it up a little more, and yeah, I messed up, but I fixed it later, so no worries. And then I'm adding some twine, so you know, so I can go with the flow. Love it. The Balloon Garland. I'm using brown balloons in combo with the football themed balloons from the kit. They do smell a little foul, but it is what it is, guys. The kit is only $20 and so far it's doing its job. I'm going to place the balloons over my dining room chandelier, and that requires 10 regular quads. This garland style I call standard because it only requires 1 balloon size to make the base of the garland. So we're using 11-inch balloons to make the quads into 2 sizes, 2 10-inch and 2 8-inch, and that's your quad. Then I make 10 of them and tie them together tail to tail, and that's how it becomes a standard garland. And by the way, I ended up popping the football balloons, the one that look a bit like a rusty color. I ended up popping them because it just didn't go with the flow. I'm using a 260 balloon to hang the garland, and here I am showing you that I'm using a step tool to do it. For those of you who don't know, I failed and it's all on video. If you want to see it, it's a total PSA and you should watch it so you don't do as I do. When it comes to that, that is. For everything else, you can do as I do. I will never steer you wrong. For this design, I'm bringing out my galvanized cupcake stand and drink dispenser, along with the napkins, plastic cutlery, and dessert plates that came with the kit. I also decorated a pizza and a barbecue wing veggie platter that were Pinterest inspired, but I will be posting the step-by-step on my social media accounts, so if you're not following me on my Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, make sure to do so you can check this out. Alright love, this is set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and comment with your favorite part of this video, and share with your friend who's always hosting or throwing parties. See you in the next video. Bye.